Too tempted. If you didn't know, there was a reason I walked away when your man was at the reeving, because I could see him losing a finger.
Yeah.
Because my friend Trisha has a lot of birds, like parrots and yolks, and I wouldn't put my finger into their cages and their pets. No, they're all gone in for the show, but I need to get the barn owls because they're my favourites. Hi, gorgeous. Hi. You're a pretty girl. Yes, you're a pretty girl. Oh, you know you're a pretty girl. Hey, sweetie. Hi. Oh, yes, you know you're a pretty girl. You're a show-off, aren't you? You are an absolute show-off. Yes, you're a show-off. Aren't you lovely?